Most of my daily life is like getting into cars and showing up to a set, or I just like, if I'm off, I just either hang with my friends or chill with my girlfriend inside.
During a recent interview with People magazine, Pete Davidson just casually called Kim Kardashian his girlfriend for the first time on air. Since being linked together back in October when they were photographed holding hands on a roller coaster, many of you have been wondering if this would develop into anything further. While chatting with Kay Adams, host of People, the TV show, Pete really opened up on what it's like living in the spotlight. The comedian replied, "Well, I don't really have Instagram. I don't have Instagram or Twitter or any of that stuff, so most of my daily life is getting into cars and showing up to a set. Or if I'm off, I just either hang with my friends or chill with my girlfriend inside, so I don't do much. Dating a member of the Kardashian family is certainly going to bring some unwanted attention, even if he does try to keep a low profile. Although he did say that fans' interest in his life has had virtually zero impact on his day-to-day, later adding, once in a while someone will scream something at you, or it might be hard to get Dunkin' Donuts, but other than that it's pretty fine. It's not awful, it could be way worse. What definitely could be way worse is having your ex blasting your parenting style on social media and threatening to beat up your new boyfriend. Pete staying off social media right now is probably the best thing that he could ever do. I feel like Kanye would also greatly benefit from doing the same, but hey, that's not my place to say. Kim and Pete first started to make headlines back when she hosted an episode of Saturday Night Live. The pair shared an on-screen kiss during a sketch where they played Jasmine and Aladdin. Following this, the two of them have been spotted together on a number of occasions, including when they spent time in Palm Springs to celebrate Pete's birthday, and when the duo had a romantic dinner and a movie date in Staten Island, New York, which is Pete's hometown. Just last month, they also enjoyed a post-New Year's vacation in the Bahamas. As for the line Kanye wrote about Pete, an insider said, "Pete thinks it's totally hilarious. Not just that, he thinks the whole tabloid drama with him, West, and Kardashian is hilarious. He loves it." And at this point, after dating Ariana Grande and many other big celebrities, Pete is pretty used to being tabloid fodder. However, even he admits that being with Kim has put him on a whole new level of scrutiny. The insider adds, "It's funny to him that the press wants to know his every move all of a sudden. Now, if this was just some other celebrity dating Kim, someone other than a comedian, I bet the response to Kanye's line would have been much more different. Pete is used to being roasted, so he shakes off Kanye's insults with no issue. However, I think Kanye was hoping that it would hurt his ego a little bit more and make him go crazy, thus driving a wedge between him and Kim. Unfortunately for Kanye, this actually brought the pair closer together." I'd love to hear your thoughts on all this though, and while you do that, I'm going to check out some of your comments from the video titled, "Adele Lookalike Sent to Replace Her Canceled Las Vegas Residency." Marina says, "Meanwhile, regular people have to show up, be a professional, and get the job done no matter what relationship problem or other problem you may have." Facts, Marina, facts. I wish I could just send in a Johnny clone. No, I love my job. Lawson Patterson says, "Seeing an Adele impersonator I'm sure is exactly like seeing the real thing." I sense some sarcasm in this comment. Gabriela Ortega says, "The audacity to have a replacement when people paid to see Adele specifically is crazy." Yeah, I don't think it was Adele that sent in the replacement. I think it was Vegas just wanting to have happier people. You know, it'd be pretty sad if you just see a bunch of Adele fans just walking aimlessly down the strip. Random Rumbling says, "I'm going to laugh if this lookalike does things as good or better and Adele gets forgotten. Would serve her right pulling out last second." I mean, it would, I guess, serve her right for pulling out last second, but I would love to see this, I almost said clone, this impersonator end up getting a good career out of this. Deja Voodoo says, "New job title on my bucket list, be a Joan Rivers impersonator. I didn't know I needed this, now I do." Hey, it just goes to show you that you can do anything. You can literally do anything. In Vegas, really. But that's all the time that we have for today though, so stay classy, and I'll see you on the next one.